Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a very healthy breakfast recipe that was shown to me by my mother-in-law. It's made with boiled eggs and boiled potatoes. It's an extremely handy recipe when you're low on time and want to eat something healthy. It's definitely delicious. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. Here I have taken about 4 boiled eggs and I'm using organic eggs, 2 boiled potatoes medium size, 15 to 20 whole peppercorns, you can use more or less as much spicy you need, 5 to 6 garlic cloves and some salt to taste. First we are going to cut the boiled eggs and boiled potatoes into medium pieces. So about 8 pieces of 1 egg and similarly the potatoes. Just separate them if they are kind of stuck together so that you have individual cubes. You can always add more potatoes if you like to this recipe. Here our eggs and potatoes are ready. Let's keep them on the side. To a hand grinder, add garlic cloves and peppercorns. And I'm gonna grind it with my hands, but if you want to simplify the process, you can always use the electronic grinder as well. Coarse paste of garlic cloves and peppercorns is now ready. Look at that. To a pan, add about a teaspoon of clarified butter and spread it through the pan like this. Once it's hot, we are going to add the freshly made garlic and peppercorns paste, so just drop that in and fry it well. The flame is on the medium-low, so fry for about few seconds. Now drop the eggs and potatoes. Add some salt to taste and give this a good mix. Coat all the potato and egg pieces with the garlic and peppercorn mixture. So it will take few seconds. Keep stirring it. Now we are going to cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes on a medium-low flame. After 5 minutes, let's open and give it a quick stir. Eggs and potatoes are now ready. Switch off the flame and garnish it with some coriander leaves. Let's serve it. This is a super healthy breakfast to start your day on a good note. You can also have it after a nice workout or even as a snack item. It's absolutely delicious. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.